Step 100 miles an hour, northbound.
Kilo 93 Lima, India.
Step 4, I copy. Kilo 93, Kilo Lima.
Alpha Mike 93 Lima, India.
Step
Passing 7th Street, northbound.
Step 4, passing 7th Street, northbound. Step 4, black male, unknown babies and passengers.
Spring, stand by, U-turn, no, he's in 604. Alright, he's in the lane of traffic. There's no traffic coming up to him. Alright, he's making a U-turn, he corrected himself. Southbound.
Step 4, back southbound.
I'll try, I don't got enough power to do that. It's pulling away from me again. It's a black metal in the hood. Alright, going back to 7th Street. Gonna run the intersection here, no traffic.
Step 4, running intersection at 7th Street. B-10-3 over the city. Step 4.
Alright, back southbound, passing.
Step 4, southbound, passing 4th Street.
Where's my closest unit here?
Step 15, 1008, air approaching for 40. Check in, calling phone.
Alright, southbound, northbound lanes, there's no traffic in front of him.
Step 4, southbound, northbound lanes, no traffic. Step 4, approaching Cherry Road.
Alright, what's the vehicle description?
We have light color Chevy.
It's bound on 28th Street. Sorry, eastbound on 28th Street.
Step 4, eastbound 28th Street.
Try to put him here.
Step 4, 75th.
Alright, he's going to the Greenway.
Step 4, holding the freeway.
Back out of the Greenway. Going onto Almond Road, heading towards Baseline.
Step 4, Almond Road, approaching baseline. Have the units on baseline, get up to 6 out. 617. 26, I'm going to attempt to 76 at Almond and baseline.
Westbound Almond, coming up to Baseline.
Westbound Almond, going to baseline.
Northbound on Baseline.
Westbound baseline.
Eastbound on Bank Drive.
Step 4, eastbound Bandy Drive. Step 10-4, no traffic.
Light. Left turn on Almond Course. Gonna turn right on Marion Path.
Left turn on Almond, right on Banyan.
Banyan, baseline. So according to mailbox, stand by. I'm gonna do it.
70 good.
I don't got enough power. I could get fit off Banyan Road towards baseline.
10-4, Banyan Road towards baseline.
Coming through the intersection of 28th Street. Westbound 28th Street.
10-4, westbound 28th Street.
Westbound, yeah. Sorry, you want to call it?
10-4. We're still westbound.
10-4, still westbound.
No traffic. Speed run about 90.
No traffic, about 90.
Coming through the post now.
Coming to curve. 6794, set up 6. 6794. 64, 69, shell 1. East start exportation.
Coming up to 36 now. Kilo's trying to fit.
10-4, something pit, 36 hours.
Set up a 6.
10-4, across street.
He drove out of it. Still coming towards 36 out. Passing the plant right now.
10-4, passing the van, pushing 36 out.
Get us on the stick, stand by for a bailout here in the neighborhood.
Get it on stick.
Turning northbound, southeast 40th Ave.
10-4, northbound, southeast.
Left
45.
3rd Street, pulling into a house.
10-4, pulling to the house. Station 1033.
Through fence, stand by.
10-4, seal 4 through 10. 10-4, pulling to the house. Station 1033.
Through fence, stand by.
Hey! Here! Boost! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! Here! Park on that man, buddy! Sheriff's Office K-9, stop! You're gonna get dog bit! Here! Park on that man, buddy! Get on the ground now! I'll shoot you, dude! I'll shoot you! Get on the ground now! Oh, please. Don't move!
I got it.
Don't move!
I'm not moving.
Let me see your hand now. Roll over.
Please, he's hurting me. He's killing me. He's killing me, please. I'm stopping, please. Ah!
Yeah, hold on.
Put both their hands behind your back.
Watch the dog. Watch the dog first. I got you.
Get him on.
Hold on, let go of your hands. All right.
Ah! Please! My life was threatened! Please!
I lost this.
Sir!
I thought I was gonna give you my flashlight. I thought I dropped it back there.
I was at the fucking gas station and I had my chain on and somebody tried to rob me.
All right.
Please! You gotta fucking believe me, I'm scared for my life, dude! Please!
All right.
I don't even have nothing on me!
I got you.
I ran, I got into a shock statement, please!
Okay. All right.
Please!
All right. Before we ask you anything, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and help you stand up real quick, all right? And then I'm gonna pat you down for any wet. You got anything on you?
Sir! Sir! Please, you gotta believe me!
Yeah.
You gotta fucking believe me!
No, I don't.
What the fuck do I do about this?
Right. Hold on, guys. Whoa. Hold on. See if you can get. All right.
So what the fuck do I do about this? I know I ran and shit and I just violated, but sir, you don't. I'm in a state of panic right now. I was just at the gas station getting drinks. And some fucking two black guys, they came from behind the shit, and they were like, hey. And I get in my car and I ran.
Alright, face the car.
I swear on everything.
Okay.
Please, sir.
I got you.
I know it's bad how it looks.
I got you.
Please, sir.
I got
Look,
you.
I'm not running
Face the
to
car.
my
I got
leg.
you.
I please.
Hey, face the car.
So I don't pass
face
out.
the car. I don't want you facing me.
Please, so I don't pass out.
Well, we're gonna have medics come. All right. I just don't want you facing me.
Can you lay me down? Please.
You wanna
Yes.
sit down? Yeah.
My leg.
You're good. Thank you.
Please take my pants off, please. Please.
Take your pants. You got shorts on underneath?
Yes, please. Please, sir.
All right. Hey. All right.
Please.
Put
I
your
don't
feet down. You don't need to be kicking
understand.
the car.
I just almost got robbed. I didn't know what the fuck was going on until the lights happened, and then I was like, fuck.
Okay.
And then I was like, what the fuck is going on, dude? I thought they were
got you.
trying to chase me or something. Y'all can check my car. I don't got shit on me.
I got you. We just gotta make sure. All right.
Ah, please. Ah. I'm sorry, dude.
Do you just want to sit down for now, or you want to?
I'm panicking.
Because I don't want you to pass out on me. And
I feel the blood rushing in and out of my leg. Just hold me.
Okay.
Hold me, please, and like let me
all
move.
right, give me a sec. Can you hold
Please,
this? Relax.
hold me. Hold me. I'm not going nowhere. The dog just bit the fuck out of my leg. Even if I do, you're gonna tackle me right to the ground.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.